Okay, I've just got out of the shower. Hence the wet hair. I've put on my comfy pyjamas and I am ready to absolutely kill it with these crochet gifts. Okay, so I've done the car hanging. I need to do another one. I shall do, and I'll show you how I did it. I followed a tutorial for that one. Bookmark, done. Maybe need to potentially block it. I don't really know. I don't think so, because once it's in a book it'll be fine. Other bookmark, beautiful, all done. I need to do a green version of this. I'll do that off camera. That's fine. The big presents that will take the longest are the gloves. I was originally going to do these ones. Tried doing these with the fluffy yarn that I want to use. Couldn't hack it. I couldn't get the sizing right. It just wasn't working. I got frustrated, left it for a couple of days, and now we're here. My alternate plan is to make these ones. I didn't like the tutorial that I found, I'm not gonna lie. So I am making up my own pattern. Oh my god, I'm so happy with these. I've just finished the first base glove. Look how much, oh my gosh, my progress. Like, the first ever pair of gloves that I made just were horrid. I have done these to fit my hand, but it's stretchy, so it will stretch out if need be. And because I've done, look at that, no gap, even if you stretch it out. I use a size 5 hook and half double crochets. So this is the base. I was going to say that I kind of wish I would have done like, so all this is half double crochet. I kind of wish I would have done like single crochet here, but then again, I don't know the measurements of my friend's hands. So I'm also glad I didn't, because then it might have looked weird, like their hands might have ended like here and then they would have had this. Basically it's easier and more accurate just to have it all the same. So done this one. Shall I put some written instructions? I'll put some written instructions up on the screen of what I did. Put like a scene from Bob's Burgers in the background or something. And then I'll just do a fast little montage of me making the other one.
Teddy, how about you? Put up your hands.
No, thank you.
I just gotta want a cake with somebody.
All right. Ow! I don't like it. I don't like it. Stop.
Keep your hands up.
I don't like it. I don't like this.
Keep them up.
Just stop. Just stop, Bob. I don't like it.
Joe, lower your hands. Teddy, you're scaring him.
Stop. No, I went to that party to see you.
Okay, I kind of got carried away and I've done the second one. It's a good job that I'm not the type of crochet YouTuber to do like proper tutorials, isn't it? Because I just forget. Also, look how cracked my lips are. Anyway, I did 24 rows, I believe. Yeah, 24 rows, and then slip stitched this together. So 7, 7, 10, and they are somewhat even, right? Those look even, right? Are those even? Is that gap bigger? I think they're pretty even, right? I think. Anyway, I'm going to do the top of it now, and then I'm going to go downstairs and have a little crafty night with my girls. I don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, I also, like, these are really quick and easy, so I kind of also want to make some for my sister. But the only other colours that I have are baby blue, and I don't think she'd want baby blue ones. But yeah, we will see. I'm going to do the frills now, which I'm pretty sure is just, is it like 4 single crochets, or is it chain 4 and then put it in the same stitch, something like that, all the way across. I'm gonna have a look what other people have done because I'm not sure how to do the top bit. I'll have a look for a frill tutorial and then adjust it so that it suits these ones. But yeah, I'm going to do that with, please tell me it's here, but right at the bottom, so only I'll just fallen out of my bag. I'm going to do that with baby pink, and then the other pair could be switched.
Liar!
Yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, I did it again where I got too carried away and I forgot to record. I've done the ruffles on that one. I'm halfway through the ruffles on this one. You do a round of single crochets just to get the base for the ruffles, and then it's on the tutorial, this one. They were doing double crochets, but I'm just doing half double just because of the size of the yarn that I have. So I did 5 half double crochets in one stitch, and then in the next one did 6 single crochets, and then I've been repeating that the entire way around, and this is how it's looking. I'm pretty sure I've messed up on most of them, as in like, yeah, I don't know, this one's looking a little bit more ruffled, which I'm not sure why. But yeah, it's basically the same as when you're making like a scrunchie, except it's just one layer. How many have I done now? 4. But yeah, I really need to go get some food because I haven't eaten all day. And then I think I'm actually going to work on... What am I actually going to work on? I think I'm going to work on the cat beanie, potentially. I'm supposed to be doing a cat crochet beanie tutorial type thing. Excuse me. Anyway, I just need to do the next step away from the camera, and then I can record the next part of the tutorial. It's like a semi-tutorial, and it's like 25 rows of half double crochets, so I can do that whilst I'm hanging out upstairs. But yeah, just gonna finish this one off, gonna connect it, and then debate whether I want to do a little bit of something to the bottom bit or whether I just want to keep it as. But this is how it's looking. Cute, cute. I have shorter hands than my friends, so it won't look as weird. So I'm debating whether to double the end over, kind of have it like that. I think that looks cuter, so I might put 2 stitches there just to keep this together, and then that will be the final one. Just need to weave in the ends, and then once are done. But yeah, very cute. Now I'm gonna put a bow there. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Okay, it is the next day. I'm in a mood, I'm tired, I feel sick. I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. I'm exhausted. I'm stressed. Finished this one, perfect. Love her. I am this much into making the second one. Ran out of yarn, went to grab another ball of pink fluffy yarn. Turns out I only bought one. You might be thinking, just go to the shop, buy some more. I can't. It was limited edition to the Aldi yarn event, so I can't buy it anymore. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I think I'm gonna undo this, just the top ruffles, replace it with the white, because this is the ivory. Replace it with the white, and then do one glove this colour and white, and then the other glove white with that trimming, and hopefully they won't mind that the gloves are mismatched. Because the only other colours that I have are baby blue. No, the only other colour that I have is baby blue because I used the purple for the plushie that I made. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. Like I said, hopefully they won't mind. But yeah, I kind of want to make like I said, I want to make myself some just normal DK ones, or like chunky ones. I think brown. I think I want to make brown ones. But yeah, I'm so defeated. I'm so tired. Anyway, I'll update you. This entire video has just been me sat here updating you. The other side's not much better. But yeah, so done. It's like 10 o'clock. I don't even think it's 10 o'clock. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Okay, hello. It is the 22nd. It's the 22nd. I have one more day of work tomorrow, and then I am done until the 27th. It's nearly Christmas. I'm so excited. I've managed to get quite a lot done. I've managed to get everything done that I said I was going to get done. I don't think I'm going to do any more. But I put these nails on. They're a little bit too big for my fingers. That's why I've never put them on before. Don't talk about the thumb one. But yeah, they're a lot more festive than the ones I already had on, and finally wearing them. Still in my Grinch pyjamas. They do smell. It just keeps staring at me. It keeps staring and staring. I'm not going to open it now though, but it just keeps staring at me. But yeah, let me show you what I've made. Some of them are still unfinished. Not unfinished, but like, I need to weave in the ends to some. So first of all, these ones, which I've seen already. Cute. Cute, promise they're the same shade. No, they're not. They're the wrong one. I was looking at them, I'm like, they look different. They're the wrong ones. There they are. These two. And then we had the whole debacle with the yarn colours for this other pair, but they actually turned out really cute, but I don't know who I'm going to give to who first. I'm hoping they fit. These are the other ones. These are matching. Well, matching but mismatched. those ones. This is what I made for my other friend, but I didn't show you or tell you about that. But this is what I've made of her. I love it so much. I made myself. And I designed it myself. I still need to weave in all the ends, but I'm absolutely in love with that one. And then because the didn't take long, I've also started making my little sister, my toddler sister, a pair as well. This is so cute. So this is that. That's the little hole. And then I'm gonna put a little bow there. And then I just need to do the same for that one. And then, yeah, she's gonna get some as well. And then this is just a little thing for my brother's girlfriend's car. And that one's for my sister as well as that one. And then I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. So I don't really know what to do now. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do. I don't know. I'm gonna finish these ones off tonight. These ones. And then I think I might start my own. Start making my own maybe. I still don't know what colour to do. I want to do brown, green, but I want to get a chunky colour first, so yeah, so tired. But it's currently like 7 o'clock, so I've got the rest of the night. I'm in again 1 tomorrow. I need to finish some Christmas shopping. I need to wrap everything. I'm going to wrap stuff tonight as well, so I've got a couple more things to wrap, including these crochet ones. And then I don't know, then it's Christmas Eve. We'll see.
Hey, don't put me back in the ground, jackass!
It's an old man with serious injuries.
Are you nuts? It's a zombie!